Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fred tutorial video. My name's Josh and today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how Fred handles polarization. So here for our optical setup, what we have is a polarizing beam splitter. So our light's going to be sent to the beam splitter where it's going to be reflected to the mirror, and then it's going to be passed through the quarter wave plate where it's going to come back and then hit our analysis surface. So here running our ray trace, we can see how our rays are being reflected, sent through the wave plate, and sent back to the analysis surface. Now what we can do is check the polarization spot diagram. We're going to check it on the end ray surface. Click OK. And here we can see the behavior of our polarized light. And there you go. As always, CBS is here to help support all Fred users, and keep an eye out for more helpful content just like this.